When you read the title of this video, you were probably thinking, why should I gratitude journal, man? Why should I even journal? That's so lame, that's so strange, and only women do that. I don't want that my friends laugh at me and tease me for being a woman or whatever, or being so different because I'm the only one journaling. And I know that you are thinking like that, bro, because I was the same, bro. When I started gratitude journaling 1.5 years ago, I was thinking, yeah, this will not bring me much. But then out of fun, I started because I saw that others also gratitude journal and are much more successful than I am. So I was thinking, I have nothing to lose, bro, you know? So I started. And I will tell you, after 1.5 years, the benefits are noticeable and the benefits are amazing. So the best benefit, bro, that you will get is that you will have more positive mindset, because when you will write things, you will force your brain to think positively. You will force your brain to find positive things every single day, even though you might think that your days are a bit gloomy and weird and bad and so on. But I guarantee you, bro, I guarantee you that every day amazing things happen. You just have so bad mental health and you have so much negativity inside your body, you know, that you don't see them. And we will change that. When you write positive things in your gratitude journal, for example, I will show you, here is my gratitude journal. For example, we open it and I will show you. I am happy for the last chat with Christopher because that's how I met Martin, who is the main director of the insurance. For example, you see, okay, I was translating it from Slovenian language, but that's how it works, you know. And then the more positive things you write, the more you attract them because of the law of attraction. I will make a whole video about it, don't worry. But if you are interested in this topic, then I recommend you that you read a book called The Secret by Rhonda or Bronda, I don't know. Just write The Secret book and you will get it. I don't know the author right now in my mind, okay? And another thing is, bro, when you will write gratitude journal, bro, you will start to appreciate the little things that you have because others don't have them. For example, I am grateful for new phone, for example. I don't have it, but I am grateful that one day I will buy it. I am grateful for shelter. I am grateful for food, water. A few days ago, I saw one homeless guy and I was thinking, the next day when I wake up, I will write that I'm grateful for that. We take so many things for granted, bro, because we live in luxury. Yeah, you might think right now, yeah, if you are from, I don't know, one poor country, maybe Albania or Kosovo or Macedonia or I don't know, Iran, Afghanistan. If you are from Afghanistan, you don't even have the phone, bro. You see what I mean? You are watching this video, which means you have at least the phone or computer and you have some sort of internet connection. Otherwise, you wouldn't be able to watch that. And just with that, you have more than half of the population. You go to school, you know how to read, you know how to write. You are educated, bro. You have so many things and you have nothing to complain. Because even if you are living with your parents, I know they are annoying. But they are doing this because they care about you. They don't want you to see as some loser who is taking drugs and doing nothing, literally nothing the whole day. Be grateful for that, bro, because when you will move out of your house just like I did, you will not have that. Amazing things happen every day and we need to change that. No. And now you might think about how to actually gratitude journal, because you are new to this topic and I will tell you a few basic a few basic tips how to do that, okay? So first of all, every morning when you wake up, you make your bed, okay? And then you write the gratitude journal and you will write, okay, 3 sentences, what you are grateful for. For example, I am grateful for this pen. I am grateful for the gratitude journal. I am grateful for having a good mark in mathematics, for example. Okay, whatever you're grateful for, find 3 things and make them as unique as possible. Don't write every day, yeah, I'm grateful for paper, I'm grateful for water, I'm grateful for food, and so on and so on. And when you write the sentences, bro, try to make them as specific as possible, because before we mentioned, I am grateful for this pen. Okay, it might work, and on the long term, you want to upgrade that, okay? On the long term, you want to say, I am grateful for this pen, because with it, I can write a gratitude journal. I am grateful for this gratitude journal, because with it, I will improve my mental health and I will improve my mindset and have more positivity inside me. For example, I am grateful for this mouse, because with it I can edit videos, I can upload them, and I can help you become a better man. You know what I mean? That's the pattern, okay? Write as much as possible. And now I will give you also 3 little tips how you can even upgrade your gratitude journal game, okay? So whenever you write a gratitude journal, you will write those 3 sentences, and then you will write also a little to-do list. Wait. It's my gratitude journal is a bit kaput, bro. So here, I don't know if you can see it. Here I wrote my gratitude, and then here I have a to-do list, okay? And every morning when you will wake up, you will write a gratitude journal, and then you will write that to-do list, and you will be immediately so much motivated, because you will want to finish this, because the gratitude journal is every day next to you. You don't want to write some gratitude sentences, whatever, and then throw this gratitude journal into your wardrobe or into your drawer or whatever. No, you will put it on the table next to you. And when you write it, those little goals that you have will constantly motivate you to do basically all your tasks that you have for today, okay? Another thing is that I started doing recently, maybe 4 months ago, is that whenever you will write those 3 gratitude sentences, you will write 1 or 2 goals that you want to achieve in the future, but you will write it as it already happened, okay? For example, what do you want to achieve? Okay, you want to get one girl, yeah, and you want to have sex because you never knew how that feels like, okay? So you will write like this, okay? I am grateful for one girl that I had yesterday and that I experienced sex. Okay? Write it literally like that. Even though if you haven't experienced it yet, when you write it down every day, you will manifest it. Okay? Obviously, I want to say you my examples, but if you tell manifests to some other people, or if I tell that to you, then people are bad, you know, they will jinx it, you know, so then those manifests that I wrote will not come true, you know. I know that you are a good person, you have a nice heart, that you wouldn't do that. Still, like, maybe some other people will watch this video and they will be like, yeah, fuck this loser, you know what I mean? Okay. And the last thing is, bro, write your gratitude journal with a pen, okay? Because don't be that lazy, bro. You can write 3 sentences with a little pen instead of typing them on your computer. You are typing every single day, the whole day. Because you are typing messages on Instagram. Because unfortunately you have it. You are typing messages in those games chats, you know, because unfortunately you play video games. So 5 minutes per day, you can put all your gadgets away and take this old-fashioned, old-school pen and take literal paper, okay? For example, I don't know, here I have one notebook, take it and write it inside, okay? Because when you will start typing on your computer or on your phone, you will get immediately distracted, bro. You will first write the gratitude journal and then you will be, okay, I will go now to internet, check the emails. And you check the emails and then suddenly after 10 minutes, you end up on Pornhub. That happened to me, so I know that this is the truth, you know. So, without further ado, bro, do the hard work and see you on top of the world, bro.